Future demand trends. IoT and connectivity. The proliferation of IoT devices and demand for interconnected systems will drive the need for specialized sensors, communication modules, and low-power electronics. 5G technology. The rollout of 5G networks will spur demand for new infrastructure and devices capable of handling higher data speeds and lower latency, impacting both telecommunications and consumer electronics sectors. Electric vehicles. EVs. The shift towards electric mobility will increase demand for electronic components like batteries, power electronics, and control systems in automotive manufacturing. Healthcare technology. Aging populations and increasing healthcare expenditures worldwide will drive demand for advanced medical devices and diagnostic equipment, boosting the healthcare electronics sector. Environmental sustainability. There is a growing emphasis on sustainability in manufacturing processes and product design, leading to innovations in energy-efficient electronics and recyclable materials.